Did you know that a plant can have 100 different local names, but only one scientific name? Let's find out who names plant and how. Hello everyone, welcome to my Science Diary. We studied about the life in ocean. You can watch it through this link. And today we will learn a very interesting topic: how are plants named? You know plants like mango, neem, rose, but do you know their scientific name? Let's understand this step by step, very easy and in a clear way. A plant can have many common names. For example, mango, in Hindi, and mango in English, manga in Tamil. This creates confusion for the scientists. So scientists needed one universal name for each plant. So question is, who named plant? A great scientist named Carolus Linnaeus introduced a system called binomial nomenclature. Bi means two, nomenclature means naming. So every plant gets two names. Each plant has genus name, species name. For example, mango, Mangifera indica. Mangifera is a genus where indica is a species. So rules to remember that genus start with always capital letter, species start with small letter, names are written in italics or underlined if handwritten. Let's see some more examples like rose, Rosa indica, wheat, Triticum aestivum, sunflower, Helianthus annuus. Now you can read scientific name like a scientist. So why is scientific naming important? Same name worldwide, no confusion, help in study and research, useful in medicine and agriculture. That's why the scientific names are very important. Now tell me in the comments, do you know the scientific name of neem? Let's learn science the smart and simple way. See you in the next video.